Hi Venkata, this is Manish, co-founder Bitkart. Thank you so much for placing an order at Bitkart. आपके 2,500 rupees मेरे पास आ गए हैं. The balance of this computer shall be paid only by cash on delivery when the PC reaches you. And this is a fantastic build made by Harsh. I'm going to call him soon. This is a RTX 510 white cabinet and a 5600X processor and a 3060 graphic card. I think you placed an order at the right time because the graphic card prices have already fallen. This is the right time to guys buy a graphic card. And I would now like to call Harsh to explain how was the experience and what is the configuration of this PC. Harsh, please come. Harsh, आपने बनाया इनका PC कैसा लगा? क्या was the experience?
It was very good, sir.
How is the configuration being chosen by Mr. Venkata?
The configuration is very perfectly matched, sir. The processor, the graphics card, the storage devices, everything is on point.
Is the power supply more appropriate?
Yes, sir. It's very appropriate. Actually, it's a 650 watt,
That's good.
which is more than enough for a 3060 card with this specification.
Okay.
It will, in the performance, in terms of performance, this will be the best, one of the best builds when it comes to gaming. Maybe PC editing, video editing, rendering, everything will be there.
And what capacity of UPS would you recommend?
Sir, it's a 650 watt, so I'll recommend it 1.5 kVA will do.
So please buy, Venkata, please note that please buy a 1 kV or 1.5 kV UPS specifically from APC. You can buy it from anywhere. You can buy it from Amazon, Bitkart, you can buy it from me. So please try to buy a UPS and get your thing checked. Rest everything is wonderful. We are going to test it for another 10 to 15 hours under room temperature, under hot conditions, and we'll try to ship it by tomorrow evening or Saturday morning. Thank you once again for placing an order at Bitkart.